Alright, we got a pair of Dan Post boots here, and you can see that they are roughed up pretty bad. Kind of losing their color right in some areas. So I'm just going to condition these, clean them up, throw some polish on there, and get them shined up. And we're going to see if we can see a difference. Alright, I'm going to lay down some saddle soap. This saddle soap has lanolin oil in it, so it's going to put a nice condition on it. I'm wiping them off fairly fast to where the leather doesn't get drenched, but it's still leaving a lot of the moisturizers inside the leather. One area you want to concentrate on is in the back of the heel area right here. It gets a lot of wear right there, so you want to keep that conditioned or it's going to start cracking on you. I'm going to go ahead and do the uppers as well. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just lay down a thin layer of Tarago cream polish. The Tarago cream polish comes with a foam applicator brush that works well. I'm just going to touch this, not put a lot. And you'll want to be careful if some boots will have a contrast stitching. This one doesn't, so I'm just going to go right over the top. Once your applicator starts drying off a little bit, where you see where you might have put a little too much, you could go back over the top of it and thin it out. So. All right, now with this toe area, what I'm going to do to really take care of those scuffing, I'm going to go over the top of it with a shoe wax polish. Now to give it a little bit more friction, I'm going to use a polishing cloth. You can hardly see that, but that's Fiebing's edge dressing. Very runny. See, what you want to do is just kind of wring it out a little bit. Right over the top with this nylon shining cloth right here, and this works out great because this can produce a lot of heat and it gets a lot of that. If you see like a haze on there, this will take care of that haze. Great for getting a really nice high shine as well. All right, here are some before pictures showing how messed up these boots were. And you could just see with the stuff that I use, anybody could do this at their home. Just get a horsehair brush, buff these out, and here's the difference here. Got a nice little shine to them. They turned out great. Super easy. This is not going to take a lot of time. And like I said, anybody at their home with these products can make a big difference to your boots. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching.